Hello everyone, I'm Annie from Buncee.
And I'm Gabby.
And welcome back to another week's episode of Buncee Bits, where we go over tips, tricks, ideas, and updates all about how you can create with Buncee.
Today's topic is how you can use Buncee to communicate core STEM concepts.
In this day and age, as global issues become more pressing, it's really important to let your students be able to communicate what they're learning in class, especially those who are not familiar with STEM concepts.
With Buncee, we make it easy to share STEM materials through various visual media.
With all of the media options available to them, students can learn to practice communicating complex scientific topics in clear, vivid, and engaging ways.
Whether it's in the form of an interactive research presentation, a science fair project, or science newsletter they'd like to write and share, there are so many ways students can use Buncee to communicate a message effectively.
With Buncee, students can learn to use and combine media to better visualize concepts in ways that work for public understanding.
Here's one example of how students use Buncee to illustrate how the digestive system works. By using the varied media aspects Buncee has to offer, they're able to create a clear picture of a complicated STEM subject.
With our audio and video recording functions, students can practice their delivery of complex materials.
With the creation and communication tools available on Buncee, you can empower students to become effective STEM communicators. This is a college and career-ready skill that they can start practicing as early as kindergarten.
For more examples on ways you can enhance STEM in your classroom using Buncee, click on the links below.
And be sure to follow us on Twitter and join in on our monthly Buncee chats for even more ideas on how you can use Buncee for STEM in the classroom.
And be sure to tune in next week to learn more about how to build your STEM portfolio using Buncee. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.